Step into a room, a special place where dreams are not just fleeting shadows, but vibrant echoes of what can be. This room, filled with the essence of possibility, invites us to explore a tale that holds a mirror up to life itself. In the heart of a bustling city lived a young artist, talented yet unnoticed, who painted not just on canvas, but on the very fabric of his reality. Each morning, as the first light of dawn crept through his modest studio, he stood before his mirror, but instead of seeing the depth of his potential, he saw only the reflection of his current struggles. His art unseen by the world, his talent like a whisper in the cacophony of life. This mirror, it seemed, was more a window to his doubts than a reflection of the man he yearned to become. The crux of our journey lies here, in understanding that the mirror before which the artist stood is not unlike the mirrors we all face. It showed him a reality shaped not by the external world, but by his internal dialogue. The artist's vision was clouded by a veil of self-doubt and fear, a narrative, he told himself, about who he was and who he could never be. This tale isn't unique to him. It's a shared human experience, a common thread in the fabric of our lives. Okay, yet what if I told you that the power to transform this reflection, to change the narrative and thus the image cast back at us, lies within our grasp? This is where our exploration begins, at the precipice of change. For in changing the way we see ourselves, we don't just alter the reflection in the mirror. We transform our entire world. This transformation is not just a key to personal growth, but the very foundation upon which we can build success. Understanding this, why then is the concept of self-perception so crucial? It's simple. Our self-perception is the lens through which we view our capabilities, our potential, and our place in the world. It shapes our actions, molds our futures, and, most importantly, dictates the limits we unconsciously impose upon ourselves. The journey of growth and success, therefore, begins not on the outside, but within the depths of our own mind. Remember the artist in his mirror. Like him, we stand before our reflections every day, faced with a choice. Do we continue to see only what we are, or do we dare to envision what we can become? This question is not just the start of our journey, it is the very essence of it. Weaving through the corridors of self-discovery and transformation, consider the profound impact of our beliefs. You see, the beliefs we hold about ourselves are much like the seeds planted in the fertile ground of our minds. These seeds can grow into towering trees of success, or withered vines of despair, all depending on the nature of the seed. Our actions, our reactions, the very results we get in the game of life are all deeply rooted in these beliefs. Okay? Now picture this as a brushstroke on the canvas of our lives. Some strokes contribute to a masterpiece, while others mar the beauty with doubt and fear. It's the limiting beliefs, the ones that whisper you can't, you're not enough, or it's impossible, that often hold us back. They're like chains around our potential, keeping us from stepping into the vastness of our capabilities. But what if we could break these chains? The process begins with identifying these limiting beliefs. It requires honest reflection, peering into the depths of our minds and asking which beliefs serve me and which ones sabotage me. It's not an easy task, for often these beliefs are hidden, woven into the fabric of our daily thoughts and actions so seamlessly that we mistake them for truth. Confronting these beliefs demands courage. It's about challenging each negative notion, questioning its validity, and daring to defy it. It involves replacing the narrative of I can't with why can't I. This shift doesn't happen overnight. It's a battle, yes, but one well worth fighting. And here lies the most exciting part of our journey. Building positive beliefs. Imagine cultivating a garden where each seed planted is a testament to your potential, your worth, and your ability to achieve greatness. Cultivating a positive self-image begins with nurturing these seeds, watering them with affirmations, and giving them the light, positive actions. Consider the power of affirming every day who you are and who you intend to become. These aren't just words. They are the nourishment for those seeds of belief. With each affirmation, you reinforce the structure of the positive beliefs you're building. Surround yourself with mirrors of positivity, people who see the vastness of your potential and reflect it back to you. Their reflection is not distorted by society's limiting beliefs, but clear, showing you the boundless possibilities that lie within you. Engage in actions that align with your new, empowering beliefs. Each action is like a ray of sunlight, strengthening these beliefs and integrating them into the fabric of your being. You'll find that as your self-image transforms, so too does the world around you. Opportunities once hidden by the veil of negative beliefs begin to shine brightly, inviting you to step forward and claim them. Remember, the journey from limiting beliefs to empowering beliefs is like sailing across a vast ocean. There will be storms and calm, but with each positive belief as your North Star, you navigate these waters with a sense of purpose and direction. Now, the power of belief is the most powerful weapon in our arsenal for change. With it, we can embody a reality that resonates with our deepest desires and aspirations. So as we move forward, ask ourselves, what beliefs am I willing to let go of? And what new beliefs am I willing to embrace? This question is not just a reflection, but guides us to the infinite potential that awaits. As we meander further down the path of self-discovery and transformation, pause to consider a mirror, not of glass, but of mind. The self-image, it's a concept as profound as the deepest sea and as significant as the journey of 1,000 miles. It begins with a single step, understanding the image we hold of ourselves in our own minds. This self-image, it's our personal portrait, painted over time by our experiences, beliefs, and the words spoken to us and by us. Like an artist with brush in hand, we are both the creator and the subject of this portrait. It's a powerful force, guiding our actions and shaping our lives. When we see ourselves as capable and deserving, we set the stage for the kind of success that resonates deeply with our aspiration. Right? Now consider the law of attraction, a principle suggesting that we attract into our lives what we focus on. Positive self-image acts like a magnet, drawing opportunities and success toward us. It's as if the universe conspires to align our external world with the vision we hold internally. When we view ourselves as worthy of success, love, and abundance, we open the doors wide to let those very things enter. How then do we cultivate this garden of self-perception, ensuring it blooms with flowers of positivity and success? The journey begins with the seeds of daily habits and subtle shifts in mindset. Understand that each day is a new canvas, an opportunity to add to the masterpiece of your self-image. Start with affirmations, those powerful statements of intent and belief. I am capable. I am deserving of success. I am worthy of happiness. These aren't just words whispered in the quiet of the morning. They are declarations that set the tone for your day, your life. Reflect on the achievements of your past. No matter how small they may seem, each success, each hurdle overcome is a testament to your strength and ability. Write them down, celebrate them, let them serve as reminders of your capability when doubts cloud your vision. Mindset shifts, too, play a crucial role. It's about shifting from a mentality of scarcity to one of abundance, from a mindset of limitation to one of limitless possibilities. When faced with challenges, instead of asking, why me? Ask, what can I learn? This shift not only brightens your self-image, but also turns obstacles into stepping stones. Engage in activities that nurture your soul and challenge your body. Whether it's painting, running, or reading, these activities contribute to a richer, more positive view of oneself. They are like colors on the palette of your self-image, each adding depth and vibrancy. Surround yourself with individuals who reflect the greatness you seek within yourself. Their belief in you, their support, and their wisdom are mirrors, reflecting back your own potential, reminding you of who you can be. Embrace gratitude by focusing on what you have. On the blessings and lessons of each day, you cultivate an attitude of abundance. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you possess, enriching your self-image with a sense of fulfillment and worthiness. Carry with you the knowledge that our self-image is both canvas and paint, frame and brush. It is in our power to create a masterpiece of our lives, guided by our belief in our own ability and worth. Every step we take, we move forward with the conviction that we are the architects of our own destiny, shaping our lives with the power of our perception. Each thread we weave is a habit formed, a pattern repeated, shaping the fabric of our identity and how we see ourselves. Consider for a moment the power of these habits, the daily rituals and routines that build upon each other, layer by layer, to sculpt our very essence. Habits, you see, are the silent architects of our destiny. Like a gentle stream that carves a canyon through the earth, our habits shape us, sometimes so subtly that we hardly notice the change until the landscape of our lives is transformed. They are the brushstrokes in the masterpiece of who we are, each one contributing to the final image we present to the world, and, more importantly, to us. But what are the habits that serve us poorly? The ones that dim our light and distort the reflection we see in the mirror of our minds. Breaking these old habits is akin to setting sail on uncharted waters, requiring both courage and conviction. The first step in this voyage of transformation is recognition, seeing these habits for what they truly are. Chains that bind us. Okay,